How to fix Roblox keep crashing issue on mobile. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, make sure you are using a proper working internet connection, and now go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Roblox, and make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue was fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on the general and then open iPhone storage here. Scroll down and find the Roblox application, and now tap on the upload app option and upload the app and reinstall the app again. As doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bug in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and hold on your Roblox application. You will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option in the pop-up that appears. Tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Roblox and reinstall the application again. Wait for the download to complete, and once completed, launch the application and use the application further. And your Roblox application should be working just by now. And if the application is not working, go ahead and restart your device, and restarting this device fix majority of minor issue in your device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.